I have something really special today. I reached out to a company that I discovered a few weeks ago called DK Optic and Illuvision. They're doing a bunch of rehousing and recreations of Holy Grail legendary lenses from back in the day. And this one in particular that I got them to send me was a 50 millimeter 1.5 septac. So it's a recreation of that legendary lens. And what I really like about this lens is that when you stop it all the way down, you get a really beautiful and clean image. But when you open it all the way up, it has this magical glow quality to it that you could just get straight in camera right away. And I think that we're getting so used to using so many filters and edits and AI that we've kind of ventured away from character lenses giving you the character from them themselves and relying on all these secondary tools to do that. And so what it's really cool is just being able to tap into the character from the lens immediately. So I took this out to the Santa Cruz Morph, and it's just a really cool experience to be able to have this modern recreation of what's a 70 or 80-year-old lens, but to get pretty much the same exact render that you would with the classic lens, just in modern materials. I was really surprised by how light the lens is and the outer case material. Definitely would encourage you to check out some of their other lenses and definitely their cinema lenses. Really cool company, shout out to them. I'm the one who reached out to them and this is not sponsored. So check them out, it's awesome. Peace.